Welcome to Khane Mein Kya Hai, and we are going to make a very interesting recipe today, quick and very interesting recipe today. And this is something which we are not very used to. So it's a vegetable dish, but yes, it can be eaten as a snack or it can be accompanied with other things as well, main dish. So yes, we are talking about zucchini. Zucchini is from the squash family and it's a summer vegetable, and it is eaten in a different way. Either it is barbecued, grilled, roasted, baked. So any way it is eaten, or pan fried, the way you want. It can be accompanied with dips, it can be accompanied with salads, sauerkraut dip, anything you want. So the things we would need for zucchini is of course zucchinis which I have cut into wedges, okay, and this is how it looks. What we have to do first is that we have to garnish it with salt and little bit of lemon, which we will do just now, okay. So lemon juice, of course, little bit of salt. Okay, we would need half a cup of corn flour, half a cup of all-purpose flour. So corn flour, half a cup of all-purpose flour, almost 3/4 cup of breadcrumbs, chili flakes, a teaspoon, half teaspoon of pepper powder. Just to Indianize it and adjust to our taste bud, we have added one more thing, which is chaat masala, a spoon, almost a spoonful of chaat masala, salt as per your taste. For frying, we would need some oil. It can be olive oil or any oil, healthy oil. So you would need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and we would need chopped coriander leaves. Though in Western world they use a lot of other herbs, but we were not available with we do not have other herbs available with us. So these are dill or parsley. So you can chop and add it to add some flavor. The other ingredients we would need is mixed herbs, mix of rosemary, oregano and parsley. And for the dip, I will just quickly let you know that we will have this zucchini, pan roasted zucchini with a mix of sriracha sauce, hot sauce, and eggless mayonnaise, okay, or mayonnaise, and we will mix and make it up. So first thing which we need to do with the zucchini is we will have to we would need another mixture which I have kept ready. This is a liquid mixture. So this mixture is of corn flour, all-purpose flour, little bit of water, salt and pepper powder. So I've kept it ready. So you have to make a thin mixture out of it. It should not be too runny, but it should coat the zucchini wedges, okay. And we will transfer the zucchini wedges one by one to the mixture. We have corn flour and the all-purpose flour mixture. Okay, so the pan is getting heated up. Until that time, we will put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So the lesser the oil, better it is. We do not want to deep fry them, but just less than shallow frying them. Zucchini is good, very good for our health, and it is full of potassium, antioxidants. It is good for the heart. It aids digestion. It helps in weight loss. it helps in regulating our blood sugar level. It helps to regulate the thyroid level as well. So zucchini is full of, as I said, that it has vitamins, it has potassium, it has antioxidant. So why not adopt a vegetable which is very good and it tastes good as well. So let's see. So the pan is ready. The oil seems to be hot. So we will keep the heat on medium flame. It's better that we cover the pan so that the inside of the zucchini is also cooked properly. The zucchinis are getting fried or not. So it's a very good smell. There are a lot of recipes available in the net, but somehow I have modified the recipe and coated it with breadcrumbs to make it more crispier. Generally, the roasted zucchini is topped with parmesan, but I have modified it so that it is crunchier, and I can put little bit of mozzarella, which I just forgot. I have kept the mozzarella as well to top it up to enhance the taste. So we have kept few other things, like just to reiterate, to top it up with chopped coriander leaves, because we were not having dill and parsley and other herbs, fresh herbs. Mozzarella cheese as well to top up the, and I'm sure the smell is giving us a hint that these are ready, and we will dish them out. This is a dip I have made mixing sriracha hot sauce and mayonnaise. That's it. So 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce will give you a hot and sour, tangy, sweet, sour and tangy dip, which really goes well with zucchini, the roasted fried pan fried zucchini. So this is a bottle of sriracha sauce. See how lovely they look. They are crunchy from outside and soft from inside. Little bit of cheese we have. So these are the mixture of cheddar and peel, and also last but not the least, a little bit of lemon juice. This will do wonders, and I like it a little hot, so why not a little bit of chili flakes, and we are ready. See how lovely they are. Palatable. Now let's try. Yummy. Inside it's very soft and outside it's crunchy, salty, spicy, tangy. It's amazing. So it's almost like a cucumber, but of course we do not. A lot of states in India also cook the cucumber into a curry, 20 to 25 minutes. So hope you like the recipe, and we would soon join very soon, and we will again discuss another recipe. Hope to see you again. Stay safe, stay home and stay healthy. Thank you so much from the kitchen of Khane Mein Kya Hai. Thank you.